Hi, this video is purely by popular demand. This is the second time that Harrods are doing a fragrance advent calendar, and it sold out while on pre-order, and I don't know if it will be back in stock when general sales, shipping starts on the 1st of September, but a number of you have said you want to see my thoughts anyway on this calendar, regardless of whether it comes back into stock or not. They seem to have had very minimal numbers of these calendars in stock because it sold out that quickly, my friends. So, by popular demand, here are my thoughts on the Harrods Fragrance Advent Calendar for 2023. It is priced at £175 and it looks like that. The pre-order was on the 3rd of August, already gone. Dispatch starts on the 1st of September. Now, the first product is the Byredo Gypsy Water. 8 mils you get, 100 mils is full-sized. The second product, though, indeed full-sized, Eccentric Molecules, Molecule 4. The EDT is 30 mils, which retails at £50. So £175 the calendar, we are already at 50. The next product, also full-sized, Parfums de Marly, Delina, which is very, very rose-centric. 30 mils you get, which retails at £130. The Delina at 130 and the Eccentric Molecules 4 at 50 quid. You get 180 quid and you are already past the entire cost of the advent calendar. There is no need of a separate price breakdown here. There is no need for this calendar to prove anything. There is no need for anyone to say anything about this calendar because just those two products, Eccentric Molecules EDT and the Delina at 130 quid, you get 180 quid and you only pay 175 for the advent calendar. Everything else is a gift with purchase in this calendar. So if you were thinking of buying Delina, don't buy Delina, buy this calendar instead. Or if it ever comes back in stock. Right, the next product is the Montel Arabian Tonka. 20 mils you get, 100 mils is full-sized. Next you have the Tiziana Terenzi Kuma. 50 mils you get, 100 mils retails at £395. So you're getting £50. Sorry, 50 mils. This isn't a mingy 2 mil sample or a 1 mil sample or even a 10 mil sample that they're palming off on you. 100 mils is full size, retailing at £395. They're sending you a very generous 50 mils, so that's half size. So if you have £395, oh my god, that doubles the value of this advent calendar right there, doesn't it? Next you have from Almond Jane, the Verano perfume, that is 30 mils. Now 50 mils retails at £145, but you get 30 mils here. It isn't a mingy 5 mil, people. Very nice. Next you have the Roja Elysium on tons, 10 mils you get, which retails at £60. Roja perfumes, oh my god, they're so expensive. I haven't actually tried Roja perfume and I couldn't afford Roja Dove's products anyway. So 100 mils is full size and you only get 10 mils you think, but the 10 mil retails at 60 quid. So just think of what the price might be for the 100 mil version. But yeah, if you were thinking of trying a Roja perfume, at a very reasonable price, within this advent calendar you get to do so. That is awesome. The next product is the Tamim Carved Oud. 10 mils you get, 100 mils is full size. This is so full of very, very niche perfumes, isn't it? Next you have from Bulgari, the Allegra Spetacolor and the Allegra Baciami. Now the external packaging of the full-sized fashions, both of which are 100 mils, look like candy wraps, but you only get 10 mils of these. Next you get Serjov's Starlight. 15 mils you get, 50 mils is full-sized. Now the 15 miller actually retails at around £65. So you can count that if you want. Already the value of this calendar is somewhere, in the outer stratosphere. Next you have Les Eaux Primordiales Super Rose, that you get 30 mils of. 100 mils is full size, which retails at a whopping £225. So 30 mils, very generous size there anyway. Lastly, you have from Maison Francis Courchon. 70 mils is the full size, but you only get 11 mils a piece of the Gentle Fluidity Gold and the Gentle Fluidity Silver. At least it is not the Baccarat Rouge. I hate Baccarat Rouge. Sorry, you can, come for my throat. It's all right. I hate Baccarat Rouge, sorry. I've tried at least 3 different samples of Baccarat Rouge at 3 different times of the year, times of the month, and so on. Don't like Baccarat Rouge. It doesn't smell good on me. I've also tried the Zara dupe of Baccarat Rouge, which is called Red Temptation. Apparently the dupe is very, very close. That I didn't like either. Don't like Baccarat Rouge, sorry. But I haven't actually tried the Gentle Fluidity Gold or the Silver. They sound a bit nicer, maybe. Gentle Fluidity. So 12 door advent calendar here. Ginormous value in there. They claim it is worth more than £1,000. I don't know about that, but it's probably, very close, because these are very high value, very, very niche perfumes. The best quality perfume oils and everything. Insane calendar here. I don't know how they're pricing it at £175. No wonder it sold out before it even launched. That said, I don't know if they just had, maybe 50 boxes or something, because it went away that quickly. So I really, really hope it comes back in stock. If it does, I will put up a notification if it comes back at, normal human hours and not at an unearthly hour. If I am awake and somebody tells me it's up, I will post a notification that it is indeed up, and you can try and get it. Some of you have actually got it. Well done. I will live vicariously through you lot. Otherwise, this is insanely good. All the niche perfumes, my friends, great value for the money. If you are looking for Delina, best place to buy Delina and get a ton of freebies with it. So what are your thoughts on the Harrods Fragrance Advent Calendar? Insanely good is my verdict. Do tell me your thoughts in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. Speak to you soon.